Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce an app. It's called Peegle live streaming application. So you can download this app from Google Play Store and App Store, and then you can see the rating of the 4.5 out of 5. So when you get any app that is more than 4, you consider that the app is good, and 1K reviews and 70 megabyte size of the app, and you can see 500K, it means 500,000 plus people already use this app. So if you want to check their interface, like it's like other dating or streaming app, so you can share your story, you can see other restorative videos, and you can watch live nearby you and nearby story. So it's really easy to use. You can also edit your video and apply the effects, and you can go live and other people send you the emoji, love or gift. Audio broadcast, you can also join in the voice room, and Peegle chat. So you're cool, you can see it's very easy to interface, and daily free spin, wishing you a lot of success, and daily task. So many things available here. This is new application, and what people actually give the review. You can see I love the gifting system. Watch out for scammers, but I have been using this app since last year. And definitely the most interesting, entertaining and educational app. You can to speak to new people and exchange thought. So many things is good. You can use this app. It's really easy to use. I will upload more video how to use this application in upcoming tutorials. Okay friend, today is Norma, and see you in the next video.